welcome back to my channel, Tete Naturals. It's your girl Tete, and I am back with another video. In today's video, we will be doing a DIY turmeric under eye mask. For this DIY mask, you're gonna need honey, turmeric, and Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. You're gonna need a teaspoon of honey, heat it up for 15 seconds, and then a teaspoon of turmeric, as well as 2 spoons of the plain Greek yogurt. You want to mix this up until it comes to a nice consistency, not too thick but not runny either. So we're going to apply this underneath our eye, or you're going to apply this underneath your eye. Y'all, I was super cautious. Be super cautious because I did not want to get this in my eye. I got this recipe off of Pinterest, so it did state that you can use gloves, but I just decided to use a makeup brush to prevent any staining. So what I'm going to do now is just apply this underneath my eye as careful as possible. So some of the benefits of this mask: the turmeric helps restore your skin's natural glow, and it is great for evening out skin tone. The honey helps balance the bacteria on the skin, which is great for acne prone skin. And then the yogurt moisturizes the skin, reduces dark circles, as well as fades, blemishes, and pigmentations. We getting rid of all of that 2021. Okay, period. So we're going to let this mask sit on our face for 15 minutes. And not this is thought you were going to look different. Okay, period. So right now what I'm going to do is continue on with my face routine. It is recommended to wash your face prior and then follow up with the remaining steps. If you guys would like to see my skincare routine, I can most definitely get that over to you guys. Just let me know down in the comment section. Okay. But I was not expecting any changes to happen within those 15 minutes. I know that this is something that needs to be done 2 to 3 times a week. So I did do it 3 times this week, and after the 3rd time I started seeing a slight bit of change. I feel like if I do this twice a week in the future, then I will most definitely get rid of these dark circles underneath my eyes. But this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.